Can success exist without recognition and support? And if yes, then what was missing in Indian women's cricket despite having all the talents? Jai Hind everyone, this is Harshika Saini and today I'm here to discuss on the journey of Indian women cricketers. So yes, our Indian women cricketers are playing for decades. But as we know that for a very long period of time, their efforts and their games were not visible or recognized. It means they were playing, they were breaking the records, but there was no media to cover all those things. Earlier, the matches were there, but very few. There were no match fees and no one was there to witness the matches, and the media coverage was also zero. They were breaking the records, they were playing for the nation, but without any identity. Their efforts and their results was not making any impact on the outsiders or even the Indians. For example, in 2002, when the Indian women cricketers for the very first time reached the finals of World Cup, they lost there, but the loss didn't make any change. There were no discussions about the improvement of their games, or there were no professional coaches who were training them. But still, just because of their passion, they continued playing the games. And gradually the things changed. Taking the example of 2017 World Cup final, our Indian women cricketers again reached the finals, but here again they lost the match. But this time, their matches and their games, their names, everything was recognized. BCCI was there to support them. BCCI provided equal match fees and provided them with the professional coaches and everything. And the names such as Harmanpreet Kaur, Mithali Raj and Smriti Mandhana were widely known. But all this was not so easy. They have seen a lot of struggles and failures. And above all these things, Women Premier League, that is WPL, changed a lot of things. It included the international inclusion of foreign players and provided the high intensity matches for our nation. Now, the young girls are also participating in cricket with a more passion and practice. And after all these things, the best part was that our Indian women cricketers lifted the World Cup trophy for the very first time on 2nd November 2025. And this was the lesson we can get, that even after despite having a lot of failures, struggles, they continued playing for their passion and for their country. And at the end, they got the trophy, they got the fame they deserved for. So yes, in conclusion, we can say that despite having practices, names, talent, everything, their talent was not recognized. They were not seen, and therefore without support, talent is nothing. So yes, ending up this with some lessons that we have learned from this. The very first lesson is the importance of unity. In 2025 final World Cup, they lifted the trophy, but it was not that easy. They continued lost 3 matches in the league matches, but still they supported each other and trusted each other. And through that, with unity, they played the very crucial matches and won all of them. And second, and the most important lesson that we learned is that failure is the stepping stone to success, not the end. Despite facing failures in 2002 and 2017, our girls believed in themselves and played until they got what they deserved for. So yes, this is why and this is how our Indian women cricketers the journey of our Indian women's cricketers has started from zero to becoming a hero. And this is how they have created the history. Jai Hind, thank you.